stop sleeping on Target. Don't play with her. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Torri J, and if you've seen by the title, today I'll be doing a Target must-have haul. I will be going in here buying some essentials based off of feminine hygiene and self-care. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below if you love this type of content. And I will just go be walking into Target, okay? Okay, so I forgot to tell you guys, I made a whole shopping list. Like a whole shopping list of everything that I basically need out of Target. And so that's what I'm about to go into now. This is going to be kind of in the form of a vlog, not really. So let's just go in. The sunscreen that I use anymore because I couldn't find it. So. Yeah, I need to start using loafers and stop using rags. Exfoliating gloves are good for you. We almost done, y'all. We almost done. Let me try to find some cuticle oil. What's her store? How much is this one? $7.19. So they have this one. I have cuticle oil at home, but it's like nail polish. It's like in a nail polish bottle. So I don't know. Let's see. Oh, y'all can't see me. It's might have to take that off the list. So I'm gonna just let me see what I have to do left. Cause I have pretty much of everything. So we're just gonna say no to the cuticle oil pen. We're gonna try to go find the facial rounds and get a toothbrush. Okay. All right. So y'all look. I found this pillow. Because I needed some new pillows, so I found this pillow. Because I'm recording and not giving a fuck who looking, period. It's like that. These are cute. I like the black one. I think I'm finished. Alright, so I just finished in Target. You can see the bags in the bag. I'm gonna do a haul once I get home. I'm gonna do a haul once I get home to show you guys everything I got. Some of the stuff y'all already saw that I got. I hope I did a good job at recording because I was trying to get a lot of stuff in, a lot of footage, but then when I started going to the clothing side, I realized I wasn't recording. So I was like, hopefully I got enough footage for this video, so we'll stay tuned. Alright guys, I am back at home. I wanted to show you guys what I got from Target. I know you guys saw a few things that I had and what I put in my cart, but I just want to go through everything one by one, as well as giving my ladies some feminine hygiene tips, just so you guys, when you go shopping for Target, you know exactly what to look for. You know what exactly to look for and why it's my favorite. So first thing first, this is like a I know this is like a hygiene essential self-care, but this is self-care. proper sleeping. See, sleeping is self-care. So I got me a new body pillow because my other body pillow I have is super flat. I had it since college, so it's super flat. And so I was like, you know what, I just want a new body pillow. The only thing is you cannot change its covering, so this is the cover of the pillow. But yeah, and of course I got this for $15. I'm gonna go through the hygiene products first because that's what this video is really for, and then I'm gonna get to the clothes, even though clothes is not really a form of like hygiene. Well, it can be, it actually is. Clothes are a form of hygiene, but it's a form of self-care because if you look good, you feel good, okay? So I got 2 loafers. They are the Eco Tools loafer. I got them because loafers are, if you don't know, but rags and washcloths, washcloths hold a lot of bacteria. If you're having a lot of bacteria, like smelling kind of bad, or your hygiene and your body odor is kind of bad, I think you should recommend either switching to a loafer or just a type of loafer bath towel to really bathe, because rags really hold a lot of bacteria, and when you let it sit and hang and dry, bacteria just dries on it. So that's why I got these loafers. It also is good for exfoliating the body, and so I got 2, pink and green. I think green started to be one of my favorite colors, y'all. Next I got is this Dove exfoliating body polish. So I got this polish as it's a body scrub basically. I'm not a big fan of tree hut anymore, honestly, because it like it doesn't give for me. It really doesn't. So I always use Dove, and it smells so good, and it's like a smooth consistency. See, you guys? So it's like a real smooth consistency, but it still exfoliates the body. I used to use this before. I think I used to use the pomegranate one, but I wanted to switch to where it matches my body wash, because I use Dove body wash, the cocoa butter or shea butter one. And I know a lot of people say a lot of things about Dove body wash is not good for you. It probably isn't, honestly, but it's like I have sensitive skin, so I think that just works better for my sensitive skin, and I never had any hygiene problems from that. But of course, like, body scrubs really help with your body. It can help with body acne. Your body has a natural smell, okay? So when you have like a lot of scented things on your body sometimes don't react well to the scented things. Then I got this Nivea cocoa butter, and I always used Nivea before. Even the girl that was checking me out at Target, she was like, this is really good on your skin. Let me just show you guys. She said that it makes your skin so smooth. Even when you put this on with oil, it just makes your skin feel so amazing. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna try it, and I had to make sure it wasn't open because, you know, people like to dig their finger in lotions and stuff. But I did smell like the body lotion that they had, and it smelled amazing. I love anything cocoa butter, shea butter, brown sugar. I love anything with that type of smell, okay? So I got me the Vaseline Cocoa Radiant Body Oil. A lot of people are saying like this is like cancerous and things like that, but like, I love body oil because it just gives you that shine, that glow, that extra moisturization, and it just makes your skin look and feel hydrated. And again, I have very sensitive skin. I also have eczema, so as much moisturization my body needs, I'm gonna give it. So I got this, and of course I used to use their lotion, but their lotion used to feel so watery, so I was like, you know what, no, let's get their oil. I got is the Native deodorant in the coconut and vanilla. So the reason why I got this deodorant, I heard a lot of negative things about it at first. Like, I heard a lot of, oh, I haven't been telling you the prices. I got the Native deodorant. The reason why I got it is because it's aluminum free and it's paraben free. It's actually a more natural deodorant. For my ladies who have a lot of discoloration under your arms, like me, if y'all want to go back and check my maintenance vlog, I was explaining like when I was waxing how I don't like shaving anymore and how my underarms were dark, and it's because of the deodorant I was using. I used to use this Dove deodorant. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys. So I used to use this Dove Advanced Care deodorant, and it was not good for my skin. Actually, my body was rejecting it really bad. Every time I put it on, I smelled like I just got out of the gym, pumping, like going so hard in the gym. That's what I smelled like. I smelled like I was stink, like I didn't take a bath for days. Like my body was really rejecting it. And so that's why I said your body has a natural odor in a good way. So when you're putting on all these fragrances, sometimes your body can reject the fragrances that you're putting on your body, which causes you to smell. So that's why I got the Native deodorant. Native have been good to me. It helped with the discoloration under my arms. When I used to use it, again, not all fragrances go with my body, so I only use the coconut and vanilla one because it works well with my body. Next, I got some just simply toothbrushes. I try to switch my toothbrushes out yearly. I don't know about anybody else, but I don't like the toothbrushes where you have to change the head. I feel like it holds a lot of bacteria. So I just try to switch my, I mean, these probably hold bacteria too, y'all. I don't know. But I just switch my brushes either 6 months to a year. I switch them out like routinely. So it was time for me to get new toothbrushes. So I got some new toothbrushes. And I want just basic toothbrush. If it gets the job done with the basic toothbrush, I don't need to be buying the electric fancy smancy toothbrush. I'm gonna get me a basic toothbrush. I got me some cotton rounds. So these helpful when you're doing like your skincare routine. Generally, your fingers are very dirty. That's why a lot of times when people wash their face, they wash their hands first, or they use like a brush or exfoliating gloves to cleanse their skin, because generally your hands are dirty. So I use this to help apply toners and everything, because again, my hands are dirty. Not saying I don't wash my hands, but to put your that's why I say stop, don't always touch your skin, especially throughout the day, because your hands touch a lot of things. So if you touch the doorknob, your car doorknob, your desk, a computer screen, your phone what holds the most bacteria, and then you go back and touch your face will break out. So I try to avoid touching my face as much as possible. So of course I got the cotton rolls to help avoid that. Next, I got some vitamins, some Undeniable Beauty vitamins from Ollie. I used to take their vitamins before. I used to take their woman vitamins, and it actually make my body feel really good. So I got the Undeniable Beauty vitamins for healthy hair, skin, and nails, because I realized as I'm getting older, I kind of want to take care of my body more. So of course, when you get older, things start to slow down. So I just want to keep that going in my body, with my nails growing healthier, my hair growing healthier, and of course my skin looking more beautiful. But I just want to maintain the beauty of me as a woman. So I was like, you know what, why not do that by taking vitamins? So I started to take vitamins, and of course, like, you know, take your vitamins, get that protein. Like, that's a part of hygiene and self-care, is taking vitamins. A lot of times, like, we don't really detox our body or give our body what we need. We eat a lot of bad food, which does not help with anything. It stops a lot of things and affects a lot of things in our body. So make sure you take vitamins, okay? Vitamins are important. So next, I got some Vaseline for my lips, the rose lips. If anybody that knows, like, I love chapstick, I love lip gloss. I like my lips looking healthy, cute, clean, you know. And you need to moisturize your lips. Lip gloss is not always a good moisturizer for your lips. A lot of lip glosses do not even provide moisture for your lips. It makes your lips extremely chappy, hard, crusty, to the point where you have to keep licking your lips. So I got the Vaseline to help with that. It's also, I got the exfoliating gloves from Eco Tools. Again, this is good for your body. You can wash your face with these. You can wash your body with these. These are more healthier and clean than using a wash rag. I'm trying to tell you guys, using a washcloth holds a lot of bacteria. A lot of bacteria. If you're wondering why you're cool, smelling a little woo-woo, it's because you're not switching to loafers or exfoliating gloves to wash your skin. It's actually more healthy for your body. Last thing on my self-care hygiene list is the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. I've been through, I'm just tell you guys my skincare journey. I don't have terrible skin. I have sensitive skin. So I have to be careful with what I put on my skin, and I'm going all the way down from skincare all the way down to the hair products I use. I used to wear a hair glue with like Ghost Bond hair glue, and it gave me allergic reaction across my forehead. I used to use cleansers that broke my eczema out of my mouth. So I have to really be careful with the products that I use, because my skin do not react well to it, and I have very sensitive skin. So I started using Survey, and it has helped my skin so much. It's a basic one-step cleanser, and I have oily skin. Basically I have combination skin, dry and oily skin, but I just say I have oily skin. So that's technically the end of the portion of just the skincare hygiene portion of this video. So I got these two sweaters. This is one of them. It's like a green. I think green is my color. I really think so. But I got this green sweater. It was on sale. The original price was $25. It was on sale for $17.50. I feel like that's not really much of a sale, but hey, don't fight me for it. It's like a short sweater. So like this is how short it is. Like it comes like to my waist, like there. So I was like, I wanted like a more shorter sweaters. For anyone that knows me, they know I have long cardigans, but I really wanted short sweater. To them is this blue sweater. It is so beautiful. Same thing. It was originally $25 and I got it for $17.50. The only difference is this one is a extra small and this one was a medium. These were the only two that was left, and I had to snag it. So it can't be picky. I got some underwear, which I'm not really going to show because those are my intimates. But I got some underwear, and I need some more underwear. I'm sorry, Victoria's Secret. You're not going to keep snatching my money for these crappy quality underwear. Let's keep it a buck. And ladies, this is a part of actually hygiene. Make sure you're wearing cotton underwear. Make sure your underwear, your cootie coo can breathe in your underwear. Tight fitted clothing is not good for your body, especially for your, you know, your girl down there, because she can't breathe, she's suffocating. It could cause a lot of other issues for you. So make sure you get cotton underwear and underwear that is breathable, okay? We want to make sure she's taken care of. So this is actually a part of the self-care hygiene portion. Cotton underwear, okay? Cotton. As y'all saw when I was in the dressing room, I got these pants. These are so pretty. I got these orange slacks. I actually got them because I needed more work clothes, and I was like, it's spring. I don't want to be wearing no black and white and dog colors. Like, it's spring, about to be summer, even though the weather don't really reflect that. But I was like, you know what, let me just get some bright color stuff. So I was like, let me start doing that, add that to my wardrobe, and I did. I actually am trying to switch my wardrobe up a little bit, so make sure I just add that to it. This is a part of self-care, because when you look good, you feel good, okay? Okay. Then I had got this top. It's like a cropped button-up, and it folds up right here, but it is actually cropped. And I don't think I recorded it when I tried it on, but I was trying to match it with these pants, and I think to me it actually matches very well. Personally, to me, I think it looks really good, and it matches pretty well to me. Suit. And I don't know if this is appropriate for work because of how deep the V is, but it is tight fitted, which y'all saw in the video when I was trying it on. It is super tight fitted, and it really holds the girls together. I don't even think I need to wear a bra. I will wear a bra because it's white, kind of see-through, but you really wouldn't need a bra. They had other colors like brown and black, and I might go back and get some more. I wanted to get it in a medium, but the small kind of fitted kind of cool, fine for me. When it comes to bodysuits, I try to get bodysuits where it's comfortable, because again, you don't want nothing super tight in your womanhood right there. So I try to get things that are comfortable for her, so we're not having no issues, okay? Stop sleeping on Target. Target got the clothes, baby. They got the clothes, okay? Majority of my sweaters and my clothes come from Target. Don't play with it. So you have reached the end of this video. Thank you for watching to the end. If I have put you onto some new products that you may want to buy, make sure you comment that down below. Also, if you want more feminine hygiene tips, make sure you also comment that down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you want more content from me. And I will see you guys in the next video, okay? Bye.